Guapo.
Guapo, Kendrick.
Guapo naman si Kendrick.
Here. Okay. N and K. I'm gonna write here. N and K. Hindi na. N and K. Uy, sige na. We're almost done. Sige na. We're almost done. Here. N. N and K. Thank you. Okay. N and K. This one. N and K. N and K.
K.
Wow. Very good. Kendrick. And then Y. Y-O-U. O. 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 Sige, O. Okay, you write O.
O.
U.
U.
Okay, then number 5. Excuse me.
Excuse
You are from which country? I'm from Philippines. Representing Philippines. Said hi, hello. So, hello, Tias Amen. No, don't bite me. I will eat you. Sorry. How old are you? How old are you?
6 years old.
He is. No. Sige, pakaon na ka tong monster dito. He is 6 years old and I am 27 years old. Here, come here now. You're done, oh? Sige na, you are done na. Who is that child beside you? It is my student. I'm having some tutor. He is my student. Here. You're gonna write, excuse me. What to do when you want to pass by to someone? He said, excuse me po.
Excuse me po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
You're welcome po. Opo. Opo, teacher.
What the here?
Okay. Here na. Good afternoon. Here. We are having some class discussions. Having some tutor. He seems so very naughty. Yeah. He's so very naughty and handsome. Yeah, because he has childhood special needs. Hi, here ba here? So I will cry now. You won't listen to me.
Yeah.
I will cry now.
Yeah.
I will cry now. What are you looking at in your phone? I'm looking for time.
You're on the left. Teacher, you'll be dead.
What's my name?
Teacher.
What's my name?
Yes.
Sure.
Karen.
Karen. Okay, what's my name? What's my name?
Teacher.
Teacher?
Karen.
Karen.
Boy.
Hello. Where did you came from, Tias Ahmed?
Here.
Excuse me. You're right. Excuse me. You're right. No. I will be mad.
You'll be quiet. Teacher Karen.
Nagtawa na nga.
Teacher Monkey Buddy. Monkey Buddy.
Si Buddy is in the home.
You want the wash?
No. Later pa. We're not done.